Today is a big day. Not only because it's just another day to be alive, but because some plans had changed on the garage. It's still an ADU. It's still got a bathroom, and we're putting a kitchenette in there also. Not a full kitchen. So come here and I'll show you the plans and how they changed up a bit. Just because the more we were in it, the more we decided, well, this will be better, and you know, it just makes things a better build for us. Come on in. The electricians are here. They're a little loud, so we might get interrupted, but check this out. Here we go. So first thing you're gonna see is we had to fur these out to put drywall in. We thought we could just glue the drywall to this, but these walls, these terracotta blocks were just too uneven. So we furred out all the walls of the living space. So we had to put a 4-inch wall there because we needed to get electric into the place. So to begin with, we were gonna put the kitchen over here and the bathroom over here. Totally switched that around. We're doing the bathroom over here. Floor's been lifted up, so all the plumbing is tucked under this 7-inch floor. And we have a little kitchenette that's gonna be out here, and the pipes just poke out just enough in there for us to get our drain and everything, supplies for our little kitchenette cabinet, which is dinky because it's not a full kitchen, it's not a full apartment. Someplace to throw your mom or your kids or the dog for a little while, I don't know. So here you go. I'm gonna open my pocket door. See, it goes that way. I'm gonna get in my shower over here. Check this out. This is really a substantial shower. We got our fart fan here. And it's going to be vented out to a vent that was already on this garage, as well as there was a lot of other things here in this garage that we could build onto that were already here. The window is right here over the throne. Then there's a vanity, a small vanity, and I do think it's going to be an IKEA vanity here that comes up to about right there, and then a nice light above it. Actually, that's the vanity right over there. It's open on the bottom, you can see everything. Like I said, it's bare bones, but it's gonna look like we really cared, okay? So the cabinets here are IKEA also. We didn't want to spend $1,000 on the cabinet package, so we're gonna make it work for about $500. Then the space where the camera is gonna be bedroom and living space. There's gonna be maybe a TV over here, bed over there. There's gonna be a mini split in here, which is gonna go on the wall in front of me. And we do have a plug here, so you could put a mini fridge here, or you know, one of those Smeg ones that everybody loves. They're cute and adorable. That could go here. There's our breaker box. So you're probably not gonna put a fridge that's over the breaker box anyway. People don't do that. People do that, but they're not supposed to do that. We're gonna get spray foam in the ceiling, and it's gonna be left open. So one thing that's gonna do big time is increase the space. Your eyes go up. They're not leveled by the ceiling that would be here otherwise. So when we have the spray foam, it's gonna be up here, and then we get to this beam right here, and that's all gonna be drywall that way. We don't need a cathedral ceiling bathroom. So however, we could do it, but we're not gonna do that. It's all gonna be sealed in drywall. Also, you know, you got a vaulted ceiling out here to the living space with the bathroom. You can imagine the smells and sights and sounds that you're gonna hear. So that's why it's cut off from the rest of the place. So stay tuned. We'll keep on rowing the boat and getting to the finish line. The house in front is almost finished, and this is almost finished itself. So we're gonna keep on keeping on. Hey, Will. This is the electrician. He makes things happen. Makes it all happen.